Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend. It's Friday, March the 5th, 2021. Two puzzles left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first we will solve this binary puzzle. This will be number 2425. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Then 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then let me see. 3. I think I need to compare. Yeah. Need to compare. 3. We have a 101 here. 101. Yes. The second row and the last row. 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Then need to compare again. Yes, this row and that row. Whoa. Sorry. This row. Okay. I need to correct this. So it's not this one. Okay. Alright, so let me compare. 0011 empty box 00111100. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With O there, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no there no. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. 1 2 3 4 O's, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there no. Alright. Need to compare. 101. Yes. The second row and this row. Can you see this? Yes. 1100 1100 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 5 minutes. All right, great binary with with comparing. You need to compare the rows, otherwise you cannot solve this puzzle. I like this puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this puzzle PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional. It will be a tectonic one, tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.